Click on the link below to get price. The Westinghouse 12500 Peak Tri-Fuel Home Backup Portable Generator stands out as a versatile and reliable power solution for both home and outdoor use. This generator is capable of running on gasoline, propane, or natural gas, which provides flexibility in fuel options depending on availability and personal preference. This tri-fuel capability is particularly advantageous during power outages or emergencies, ensuring you are never left in the dark. One of the standout features is its impressive peak wattage of 12,500, making it suitable for powering essential appliances, tools, and electronics simultaneously. Whether it's keeping your refrigerator running during a blackout or powering multiple power tools at a job site, this generator has the capacity to meet your demands. The remote electric start is another game changer, allowing you to start the generator from a distance, which is not only convenient but also adds an extra layer of safety during inclement weather. The generator is equipped with a robust engine that runs smoothly and efficiently, delivering consistent performance. The noise level is relatively modest for a generator of this size, which is a benefit when using it in residential areas or during camping trips. Furthermore, the built-in fuel gauge and hour meter are practical features that help monitor usage and maintenance needs, ensuring the generator operates optimally over time. Portability is another aspect where the Westinghouse generator excels. With heavy-duty wheels and a sturdy handle, it's easy to transport, making it suitable for various settings. However, it is important to note that the unit is on the heavier side, so assistance may be required when moving it over long distances. In conclusion, the Westinghouse 12500 Peak Tri-Fuel Generator is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly option for anyone in need of reliable backup power. Its combination of tri-fuel capability, remote starting, and portability makes it an excellent investment for both emergency preparedness and recreational use.